The first thing to do is drain the water tank.
All right.
Otherwise, you're going to be draining the water tank on you. Just connect to electric. And now you can try unscrewing your. You see my problem here? Knock it out. Knock that over.
I guess I'll have to cut that out of the YouTube video.
What?
Cousin.
Oh no, there's going to be more.
Then I guess we'll just continue on. Wow.
I'm so glad I drained the water tank.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep.
Pretty much drained. Okay, remove the screws. Wait for the water to stop draining. That's just draining, that's just draining off the rest of the tank.
You still recording?
I guess. I don't think I ever even started it. Alright. Put this thing back together now.
Is that the new one?
Yeah. Okay, I have no earthly idea why it stopped working. Nope.
The old one?
Yeah. Not a clue.
It was relatively new.
It was.
At least we can send it back and find out.
Yeah. These are supposed to be only finger tight. I don't think that's possible. You may note that this cord is longer because I discovered there's no fuse in this system at all. And I kind of thought there ought to be one.
So you installed one.
So I installed one. Add a fuse so that if the pump breaks down again, it may blow the fuse rather than just burn us down.
Mm-hmm. Oops. That's a lot of water, isn't
Don't be
it?
saying oops. Don't be saying no oops. to break this thing, go to the store.
Yeah.
When you're repairing something, whether electrical or plumbing, you never want to hear the word oops.
Oops. Did I say that?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are. John's going to turn on the pump and see what happens. If you hear me scream, you'll know it's not good.
Is it running?
I can hear it run. Yeah. And it turned off, so you turned the sink off? You turned it back on?
Running again?
Uh-huh. Cool.